Let's go, people. On the Phantasmal Flames again. Last pack of the booster bundles. Mega Heracross pack. One pack a day. As we do, let's see what we get today. Go card for someone. Come on. Fire. Oh, water. Toxel. Bronzo. Mimikyu. Trapinch. Archelon. Wondrous Patch. Gisco. Flygon Reverse. Oh! Let's go! Let's go! Rotom EX SIR. First SIR I pulled of this set. Fair play, that's cool. And a Reshiram. Fair play, that is well cool. Happy with that. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see what we get in the next pack in the next video. Let's go.